Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ali, your English trainer. Today we are going to check your English grammar. This test will check your knowledge of tenses, prepositions, articles, etc. There are 15 questions and each question has 3 options A, B and C. You will get 5 seconds to choose your answer. Write your answer in the comments and let's see your scores at the end. Question number 1. He is not as tall dash his brother. A then, B as, C so. B as is the right answer. Here is how. When we compare two things in negative form, we use not as plus adjective plus as. Example, she is not as fast as me. This car is not as expensive as that one. Question number 2. She worked hard. She could pass the test. She worked hard dash she could pass the test. A so that, B if, C because. A so that is the right answer. Why it's correct? Let's see. We use so that to show purpose why someone did something. Examples, I woke up early so that I wouldn't be late. He saved money so that he could buy a car. Question number 3. There is a beautiful garden dash my house. A behind, C B between, C above. A behind is the right answer. Explanation. We use behind to show something is at the back of something else. We use behind to show something is at the back of something else. Examples, the car is parked behind the building. The dog is hiding behind the door. Question number 4. It's important to be dash time. A at, B in, C on. C on is the right answer. Here is how. Let's see. We use on time to mean not late. Examples, the train arrived on time. Please submit your assignment on time. Question number 5. He is looking forward to dash his friends again. A, see, B, seeing, C, seen. B, seeing is the right answer. Here is an explanation. Looking forward to is followed by a noun or verb plus ing gerund because to here is a preposition, not part of an infinitive. Examples, I am looking forward to meeting you. She is looking forward to start her new job. Question number 6. Don't worry, everything's under dash. A, control, B, command, C, system. A, under control is the right answer. Here is how. The correct fixed expression is under control, which means everything is managed and not chaotic. Examples, the situation is now under control. The fire was quickly brought under control. Question number 7. My parents have been married dash 25 years. A. During. B. Since. C. For. C. For is the right answer. Here is why. We use for with a period of time like 25 years, 3 days, 10 minutes. We use since with a starting point since 1999, since Monday. Examples: she has lived here for 5 years. She has lived here since 2020. Question number 8. You should dash your hands before eating. A. Washed. B. Washing. C. Wash. C. Wash is the right answer. Explanation: after modal verbs like should, can, must, will, we use the base form of the verb. Examples: you should study harder. We must leave now. She can drive. Question number 9. Olivia dash to school every day. A. Going. B. Goes. C. Go. B. Goes is the right answer. Here is why. With third person singular subjects, he, she, it, or a singular name like Olivia, we add s to the verb in the present simple tense. Examples: he plays football. She reads books. Ahmed works hard. Question number 10. Eva dash tea to coffee. A. Prefer. B. Preferring. C. Prefers. C. Prefers is the right answer. Here is why. With third person singular subjects, he, she, it, or a singular name like Eva, we add s or es to the verb in the present simple tense. Examples: she likes chocolate. He watches TV. Question number 11. I need dash milk, please. A. Some. B. Little. C. Much. A. Some is the right answer. Here is how. We use some with uncountable nouns like milk, water, sugar in positive sentences and polite requests. Examples: can I have some water? She bought some rice. Question number 12. Jack dash not like spicy food. A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. B. Does is the right answer. Here is why. With third person singular subjects, he, she, it, or a singular name like Jack, we use does in negative sentences in the present simple. Examples: Anna does not understand. Ali doesn't play cricket. Question number 13. Mia dash her shoes when it started to rain. A. Cleaned. B. Was cleaning. C. Is cleaning. B. Was cleaning is the right answer. Here is how. We use continuous was verb plus verb ing for an action in progress in the past. Example, I was watching TV when the phone rang. Question number 14. Which sentence is correct? A. We like to travel. B. We likes to travel. C. We liked to travel now. A. We like to travel is the right answer. Here is an explanation. With we use the base form of the verb like. We likes is wrong. No S with we. We liked to travel now is incorrect because liked is past tense but now is present. Question number 15. She asked me where I dash. A. Was live. B. Live. C. Lived. C. Lived is the right answer. Here is how. In reported speech past, we usually change the verb to the past tense. Example, he said, I am tired. He said that he was tired. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment your achieved scores here below in the comments. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.